So, nag-start ako mag-post consistently here sa TikTok because initially I have this parang fear of like being seen and like looking stupid. Parang alam mo yun, like basta like looking stupid sa in front of other people. So parang ginawa ko siyang parang exposure therapy na okay, magpo-post ako ng at least one TikTok a day kung saan maybe nagsasalita ako or nagkikwento or nagsishare whatever, kung ano man yan. Just to overcome yung fear of being seen and being perceived whatever. And after doing that for almost siguro 2 months na siguro or maybe lagpas ng konti. I can say na hindi na ako like nabawasan na yung fear na yon and like yeah, manageable na siya and I would say um nagiging maging mas naging komportable na ako na magsalita and like mag-share sa harap ng camera and like mag-video whatever. Sometimes pag nakikita ko yung sarili kong video and naririnig ko yung sarili kong boses, syempre nagki-cringe pa din ako. Like, I feel like that's normal. And lalo pag, minsan kasi pinapanood ng jowa ko yung TikTok ko sa harapan ko. And sinasabi ko sa kanya like, not in front of me. Like, wag mong panoorin, naririnig ko yung sarili kong boses, ganyan. And I don't even know anong sinasabi ko dito, but I feel like, yeah, ayun nga, parang na, na, na-reach ko na yung initial goal ko and pero parang I still want to continue pero you know, yeah, parang yeah, I don't know. Pero ayun nga, pero yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying here. Pero yeah, I want to continue and yun, if you're seeing me for the first time, yun nga, ang sinishare ko dito like random things na I'm interested about, usually um, topics like spirituality and like mental health, self-help, self-mastery, self-discovery, ganun.